Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Facebook Marketing 2019 to 20 Success Kit PLR Monster Package, bit of a mouthful, which launched on the 25th of July at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this great private label rights release from Dr. Amit Parikh and Eshu Kumar. What it is, as the title would suggest, it is an excellent private label rights guide to Facebook remarketing, and it comes with a really amazing set of bonuses that the vendor has given me to give to you. So altogether with this product, you're getting 20 bonuses from the vendor, plus another 5 custom bonuses from myself, and of course the front end product for under $10. So this is really high level private label rights. If you don't know what PLR is, then listen on. I'll also give a short description of that. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then please listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the 5 custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Facebook Remarketing 2019 to 20 Success Kit from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 custom bonuses and you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point I'm afraid they will expire. I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are custom bonuses, so they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of this product, because you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way more useful than perhaps what others are offering. So what is Facebook Remarketing 2019 to 20 Success Kit? Well, if you're still struggling to make the most from your lost website visitors and boost sales and conversions, now it's your ultimate chance to slap your name onto a brand new, up-to-date and top-quality Facebook remarketing training for big profits week after week easily. Get full private label rights before your competitors do. And this is the
Hey there, how's it going? I am so excited to show you this updated, completely written, and really high-quality product on one of the hottest topics ever, Facebook remarketing.
All right, so the sales video, you will only find it on the sales page, so do click through from my bonus page onto this page and watch this sales video. So to just run through quickly, for those of you that don't know what private label rights are, they are products that you can sell on and keep 100% of the profits. You can also rebrand them in any way you want. You can change the cover, you can change the title, you could call this Make Money Remarketing Facebook, or Succeed with Facebook Remarketing, or any title you wanted to give it and add your own name to it. So I could call it, you know, Facebook's Ultimate Success Kit by Dawood Islam. You can also give it away as a bonus with a paid product. You can use it as a powerful lead magnet, give the whole thing away and attract loads of new subscribers onto your list. Something like this, a high quality gift. People are used to getting really sort of crappy reports and stuff like that to get people onto their email list. If you're giving them a complete product of this quality, they're going to really appreciate you and they're going to pay attention to your emails. You can also use it as a series of blog posts. You could use it as an email series, giving really good value content to your list. You know, perhaps you wanted to run it as a series over 5 or 6 days where you're not actually trying to sell someone something. You could maybe do that with other follow-up emails later in the day. But if people occasionally get emails from you that have just got content and that don't have any sales pitch in them, again, they're that much more likely to engage with you and to read your emails when they come in. So what do you get with Complete Success Kit? You get top quality training to sell under your own name, hottest and proven seller topic on the web, ready to go sales material to start selling today. You can sell unlimited copies, no monthly charges, no hidden fee, no profit sharing, keep 100% of the money, keep all the leads generated, including the buyers, and you can do almost anything you want with it except sell on the PLR rights again. Very easy to set up. You just download everything and start selling. You've got done for you sales pages, you've got done for you sales video. We'll come on to all that stuff in a minute. Lots of excellent professional sales material. So this is basically the key product, but let's just go over and check out my custom bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here, and this video I'm just recording will be here. This is just clarification of what you can do with it, which we've already discussed. And this is just a sample. It's not the full video, but it's a sample of the video that you'll be using to actually sell this product on yourself. So let's just have a quick look.
Hello, aspiring marketers. Are you still scratching your head to make the most from your lost website visitors? To achieve your objectives, are you searching for the most proven and tested strategies? Then it's time to take a breather.
Okay, so remarketing, obviously, for those that don't even know what that is, that are perhaps completely brand new. Lots of people, you spend lots of time trying to get people to come to your pages, to come to your offers. And a lot of people, they land on that page and they are quite interested, but they end up not actually buying, and they go away afterwards. So if you don't remarket, that is the end of that particular customer, unless you've got some other way of getting their details. With remarketing, it basically means that people that visit your page by using a Facebook pixel, which is far less complicated than it sounds, you can actually then follow them around the web and put your offers back in front of them again. And the chances are when they come back a second or a third time, they will actually end up buying the product. So that is in a nutshell what remarketing is, in case you don't know. Okay, so these are the bonuses that I'm going to offer. They're all Facebook related because this is a Facebook product, and so are most of the vendors' bonuses as well. So effortless Facebook profits I actually include because this course by Art Flair is one of the best monetizing Facebook courses I've seen. It's an excellent video course. Art is one of the masters of social media. He's actually got a new product coming out today. I'm recording this on Friday the 27th. So watch out for that. There'll be another video with a brand new course from Art Flair and Vic Carthy later today. But this is one of his evergreen courses that I think you'll enjoy. Secondly, this masterclass is actually on how to run a Facebook ad agency should you wish to start one up. It's about an hour and a half long, but what it will do, even if you don't want to do that, is tell you everything you need to know about Facebook advertising, and it also deals with pixels, so this is a good course for you. Facebook Livewire, these next two products both tell you about the boom in broadcasting live on Facebook and why that's really beneficial, even if virtually no one actually views it when it goes out live, yeah? And so both of these bonuses deal with that, Facebook Livewire and Facebook Live Handbook. Lots of people are making money by going live on Facebook. And finally, Facebook Ads e-commerce masterclass. If you are interested in using Facebook for e-commerce, or your customers are, then this is another great bonus for you. So they are the bonuses. To get any of them, click on any of these green buttons before the countdown timer reaches 0. They'll take you back to the sales page, and we'll go through the vendors bonuses in just a moment. But first, let's have a look at the product. I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page because you can read that. This is all completely new content, by the way, folks. So this is what you'll get. 103-page completely updated manual training guide, over nearly 16,000 words. These are the chapters in the book. What's Facebook remarketing all about this year? What do you need right before using Facebook for remarketing? What do you need right by using Facebook remarketing for Facebook sources? Creating a custom audience but using your own sources and using Facebook sources. Reaching new people who matter to your business, using saved audiences, creating campaigns, creating a lookalike audience, creating a saved audience. All this is explained obviously in the text. Skyrocket conversion rates, dramatically increase lead gen rates, grow your ROI, return on investment, remarket to those who almost completed their purchase. You do that in a slightly different way. Convert free trial users to customers, do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, remarketing success stories, and FAQs. So that is basically your guide. The second module is your cheat sheet, then your mind map, then a top resources report, high converting sales copy, professional mini sites. If you want to see what the mini sites actually look like, you can just click on this button here and you'll see the mini site with the sales video. These are the sales videos. As I said, you've already seen one over on my page. Email swipes, complete set of banners, complete set of professional graphics, and some testimonials from the many PLR products that Dr. Amit has done. Fast action bonus, how to set up a killer sales funnel. And the price $9.95, yeah, $9.95 only. And now we move on to this amazing set of bonuses. So these are bonuses that Dr. Amit has given me to give to you, and there are 20 of them, folks. If you won't be able to see this page, so if you want to pause and read any of this in full, you can just do that. I'll scroll down reasonably slow, but I really haven't got time to read all the descriptions. But these are the 20 bonuses that you're going to get on top of my 5 custom bonuses, plus that extra bonus that everybody is getting, the one that was on the sales page. So that is a total of 26 bonuses, folks, for less than $10. Are you really going to pass this up? So the first bonus, Modern Facebook Marketing Video Guide. The second bonus, Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing, hugely hot in 2019. The third bonus, Facebook Ads 101. The fourth bonus, Facebook ad tracking. The fifth bonus, Facebook Stampede video course. The sixth bonus, Facebook Webinar Pro plugin. The seventh bonus, Social Media Boom software. The eighth bonus, Social Traffic Rush. The ninth bonus, Online Viral Marketing Secrets video upgrade. The 10th bonus, Newbie Traffic Stream. The 11th bonus, 7-Figure Mastery video upgrade. The 12th bonus, Membership Mogul. The 13th bonus, No Cost Income Stream. The 14th bonus, Simple Social Media Content. The 15th bonus, Marketing Mini Site Template V53. The 16th bonus, Internet Marketing Methods Case Study. The 17th bonus, Facebook Banner Ad Mastery. The 18th bonus, Facebook CPA, Cost Per Action. The 19th bonus, Group Domination, Facebook groups. And the 20th bonus, Facebook Outreach. Pretty much, if you actually went with the original prices that those products were sold at, or at least their evergreen prices, that is almost $3,000 worth of content, folks. So it goes without saying that this product is a bargain. So for the front end, you've seen everything you get with that for $9.95. The upsell version includes a video version of the course, which is $47. So you get 20 step-by-step videos and material to market the video version of the course. And training on how to make money with the Success Kit, which you don't get in the front one. I would recommend taking the video version. There is a downsell. If you turn down the first offer, I think you get it. Where is it? Is it up here? Sorry about this, folks. I know I've got the funnel somewhere. There it is. $37. So if you turn down the first offer, you will get offered a second go at the videos for $37. Membership, $1 trial for 30 days and then $27 a month. You'll get new PLR from the team every month to sell. There's also a complete done for you option, which is another upsell for $97. And there's also a unique product creation product if you would like the team to create a new product for you from scratch. That's actually $5,000. But as I'm in the process of launching a product myself, I know how expensive it can actually be. So that actually is about the going rate for creating a product from scratch. So it might sound like a lot. I would obviously recommend that you seriously consider picking up the video version and also the monthly membership from this team is very good. So that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, if you want to avail yourself of all of these bonuses, then click on any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on Buy Now, and then that will bring you into the back office at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your Facebook Success Kit, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is pretty much it, folks. Going to give this 4 out of 5. Great PR in a evergreen, always in demand topic, and with all those bonuses, I suppose I should really be giving it more, because that is an incredible set of bonuses for less than a tenner. Do not pass this up, folks. You know, when do you get opportunities like this to get all that stuff for free? You know, you've got enough material there to keep you in training for the next 2 or 3 months. So that is pretty much it. Thanks as ever for watching and listening to this review video. Your presence is appreciated. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Facebook Remarketing 2019-20 Success Kit PLR.